Lyndon Rive is the co-founder of SolarCity and served as its CEO until 2017. SolarCity is a provider of clean energy services that designs, finances, and installs photovoltaic systems, performs energy efficiency audits, and retrofits and builds charging stations for electric vehicles. Rive co-founded SolarCity with his brother Peter in 2006. Prior to co-founding SolarCity, Lyndon Rive co-founded the enterprise software company Everdream, which was ultimately acquired by Dell. Rive started his first company at age 17 before leaving his native South Africa. In his spare time, Rive plays underwater hockey. Rive is a cousin of SolarCity investor and entrepreneur Elon Musk, as their mothers are twins. In 2010, Rive was named in the MIT Technology Review's Innovators Under 35 as one of the top 35 innovators in the world under the age of 35. In 2017, Rive announced he would cease working for Tesla Incorporated after it acquired SolarCity in 2016. He states that he will spend his time with his family along with further entrepreneurial activities. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.